Hello. So, for those of you on my e-newsletter list, did you get your free webinar? So, I'm just having a look around well, or not free webinar, I should say free webinar platform. Now, they've said this one is valued at £199 per month, which will be pushing up to the 2,380 something dollars per year. And they said it was free for life, no strings attached. So I'm just having a look. It seems to do everything that you would want it to do. You can schedule just in time webinars, which will start, and then you choose the duration in terms of when it will start. So when people land on the page, they're technically just in time to watch the replay. You can do the recurring schedule, or you can schedule specific dates. They've got some templates for you to choose from as well. Not a huge amount. I'm sure that they will be adding to these templates as they go. Now, they said webinar functionality is in beta. Please use it cautiously while we monitor stability and improve the experience. You've got the messages there that people will receive as a confirmation reminder, and then after, I presume you're in charge of that. And then if you're going live and you've got your share buttons, but I haven't created anything as yet. There is this concept of AI agents that you can train. I believe you can train them to answer questions in the chat for you, etc. I haven't looked at that in massive amounts of detail yet, but just having a little poke around, it does what it says on the tin, and it was completely free of charge. So yeah, for those of you who took up the opportunity with the link in my last email newsletter, I would love to hear your thoughts and let me know. Did you get your free for life webinar platform? Marilyn Devonish, the NeuroSuccess coach, rapid transformation specialist, and futurist from TranceFormationstm.com. Over and out. And it's perfect for those of you who don't have a webinar platform. If you're not subscribing to Zoom, and there's, the higher end Zoom functionality, which gives you a lot of these, but not all of these features, as a dedicated webinar platform. But for those of you who aren't doing that, this would be a really good addition for absolutely no cost. Anyway, I shall leave it there, and at some point I will run a test webinar so we can all see it in action. I will catch you later.